Hello everyone, in today's tutorial, we will create motion graphics poster animation in After Effects. I have created composition size 1000 to 1000. Now we'll create background with same size and rename it to BG. Add your image in same composition. You can adjust image if you want. I will rotate image by selecting letter R. And reduce size by selecting S. I will duplicate image and rename it to shadow. Apply Find Edges effects on the top. Enable Invert checkbox. Add Fastbox blur effect. Set blur radius to 24. Add anchor points of the shoe on the top. Same action should be done for shadow image as well. Move shadow to down to make the shadow look more realistic. You can play around a blur radius effect until you get desired result. Now I will make 3 copy of main image. Apply Find Edges effect for all of them. Choose all 3 effects and put them after shadow effect. Create a null object, rename it to Control. Choose all layers except for background and make them parent to null object. I will start animating the image. Add stopwatch to position by selecting P button. Select keyframe and easy them by the help of Keyframe Wingman. This option will save your time. If I will select Graph Editor, you can see that manual work was done by Keyframe Wingman. Using this feature will reduce your time, and you can download it for free. Link is in description. Let's play animation to see the result. Select all three effects. Add stopwatch to rotation, move forward, rotate each effect separately, and decrease the opacity for each of them, as shown in the video. Once you are done with it, select all effects, and select U button. To see keyframes, select all of them, and Easy Ease, with Keyframe Wingman. Let's play animation, and see result. If you don't like how it appears, you can change duration by selecting keyframe and moving on. Also, you can change keyframe view as well. I will move one part of line in Keyframe Wingman. In Graph Editor, you can see that it was changed. Now select Control, and add stopwatch to scale, by selecting S button. Repeat same actions as shown in the video. Let's add design to our poster. I will speed up here a little bit. I will animate background by selecting S button. Add stopwatch, move forward, and add amount 0. Select keyframes and easy ease with the help of Keyframe Wingman. If you don't see it, select Window and choose it. Let's animate text. Select arrow, select animated button, choose opacity decrease amount to 0. Select same animated button, choose position, and push it down. From range selector 1 choose start, add stopwatch, move forward and increase amount. Select keyframes and easy ease them. We will animate second text, select position. Add stopwatch, move keyframe forward, and move text down. Select keyframes and easy ease them. Now I will animate Nike logo, same actions need to apply. Select position. Add stopwatch, move keyframe forward, and move text up. Select keyframes and easy ease them. Now, I will animate lines, select both lines, choose position. Enable stopwatch, move forward keyframe and move lines to right position. Select all keyframes and easy ease. You can always adjust speed with playing around with keyframes. Let's animate last text. Select S button, add keyframe, move it forward, and decrease scale amount to 0. Select all keyframes and Easy Ease. I still don't like some movements, so I will adjust them. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.